Hello everyone. So we are going to present about second order circuit. In second order circuit, we have three cases. The first one is overdamp if alpha is greater than omega naught, and the second one is critically damped if alpha is equal to omega naught, and the last one is underdamped if alpha is less than omega naught. So this is one example of overdamped case. And this is free source parallel RLC circuit. We need to know that when we get the parallel circuit, we need to find the VT of the circuit, and if we get the series circuit, we need to find the IT of the circuit. So the first step is when t less than 0, we can find V0 and I0. So we get the V0 by using the voltage divider, 50 over 50 plus 50 times voltage source 100, and we get 50 volt. And I0, we just use the Ohm's law, V0 over R total, so V0 is 50 and R total is 100, so the answer is 0.5 ampere. Then the second step is when t greater than 0, so the circuit will be like this. And on this circuit we can find the alpha and the omega naught. So this is the formula for alpha, this is for the parallel circuit, and this is formula for omega naught. So just substitute the value of R, L and C and we will get the answer. So the value of alpha and omega naught, we will know this is the overdamped case because the alpha value is greater than omega naught value. And then this is the VT formula for overdamped case. So here we need to find the S1 and ST. So there is the formula. Just substitute the alpha and omega naught and we get the answer for S1 and S2. Then we substitute back to the VT formula, then we substitute t with 0, then we will get the first. Then we need to find the dV over dt. So this is the formula, just substitute the I0 and capacitor, so we will get the answer 50,000. This is VT equation, and after we differentiate it, we will get the dV over dt equation. So from the dV/dt equation, we can get the second equation by substitute all the value, and after that we will get two equation here. And here we already get two equation, and we just solve it by mathematically, and we will get the value of A1 and A2. So just substitute all the value and we will get the VT. So this is the example of critically damped. We just use the same circuit before this, so just follow the same step. When t less than 0, we will find the V0 and I0. So just use the voltage divider, we will get the V0, and use the Ohm's law, we will get the I0. After that, when t greater than 0, we can find the alpha and omega naught, and we will get the answer. So from the answer, we will know the value of alpha is equal to the omega naught. So this is critical damped case. And this is the VT formula for critically damped case. Then just substitute 0 at t and we will get A1 is equal to 50. After that, we will find the dV over dt, and this is the formula how to solve it. And we will get dV over dt is equal to negative 375,000. After that, we need to differentiate dV over dt again, and we will get like this. Then just substitute 0 at t. Then after we substitute all the value, we will get the value of A2, and after that we will get the VT. So this is the last case of 3 cases, which is underdamped case. So basically, just follow the step. When t less than 0, we will find the v naught and I naught, and when t greater than 0, we can find the value of alpha and omega naught. So from the value of alpha and omega naught, we will know that this is underdamped case, which is alpha is less than omega naught. Then this is the VT formula for underdamped case. After that, we need to find the omega D, and this is the formula. Just substitute the omega naught and alpha and we will get the answer. That we just substitute all the value on V naught and we will get the value of A1 is equal to 50. Then we need to find the dV over dt, and this is the formula. Just substitute all and we will get the answer 300,000. Then we substitute back the value of A1 on dV over dt formula to get the value of A2. Thus we will get the answer for VT of underdamped circle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the button like for our Kirima.